Hello, Minister, ladies and gentlemen, I'm Abbie Widin of Defy-Hi, Safer, Smarter Facade Inspection. We're a hardware-enabled SaaS business. Facades are big business. You know, facades, they're the face of the building, the glass, the concrete, the panels that go on the outside of the building. When you construct, you might spend $100 million to construct a city building. 30 million of that will go on the construction of the facade, and another 40 million on the inspection and maintenance over the next 20 years. Property owners are spending more than $20 billion a year on inspection and maintenance. They're looking for chips in the glass, cracks in the concrete. They're looking for the panels falling away from the face of the building. And they want to catch it before it falls 50, 100, 200 metres down to the street below. And this big business is only going to get bigger as cities get taller. But there's a problem with the way that facades are managed today. The first problem is you've got people dangling on ropes high up on the outsides of a building, and they're looking for errors like defects manually. And we all know that humans get tired and make mistakes. And once they do that, they put it all together in a report, package it up, and sometimes this PDF report, I've seen them print it out and put it in the bottom drawer. And you cannot close a defect once it is printed out on a PDF and put in the bottom drawer. You don't know which one is fixed and which one still has to be done. And if you are an institutional property owner with a portfolio, how do you manage your risks? The simple truth is, this is not good enough. But we have a vision. We will transform the way that facades are inspected and the defects and the risks of those defects are managed. We have the Facade Defect Management Platform. We use artificial intelligence to catch failed gaskets, all sorts of defects from all across the face of the building, and then we can localise it on the map of the building so you know what the defect looks like and where it is. But some of those customers have a portfolio. They've got a number of customers, and so we've built a platform where they can manage the defects and the risks associated with them across all of the buildings that they have. But how do you capture this data? We know that drones can't fly easily in cities for legal or operational reasons. Drones aren't very good at taking photos of glass. So we decided to build a robot. We've got the Inspector Bear, the building envelope access robot. And we've had it on buildings. It never gets tired. You see it working diligently, robustly, capturing data comprehensively across the facade with millimetre accuracy, and it's able to localise the defects. And if you come back again the year after, you know whether that crack was there or not there because it's taken a photo of everything. If we build it, will they come? We have got letters of support during the Start Make program from real estate, the largest real estate companies in the world, titans like CBRE and JLL, and they've given us letters of support for more than $2 million of expression of interest revenue if we can deliver a facade defect management system and the robot. Yeah. Now, just to go through the mechanics of it, one robot and the platform, the analytics and the data visualization can do one per week. And so over a course of a year, I've rounded it up, like government work, but we've made it 50 buildings in a year. So 200 robots, one robot, 50 buildings, 200 robots, 10,000 buildings. We can get to 100 million annual recurring revenue. My partner Melinda and I come from the industry. I've had experience working at companies like Procter & Gamble and Kellogg scaling up $100 million businesses. We have a team of extraordinary engineers, experienced in complex electromechanical systems and building SaaS platforms for the architectural, engineering and construction industry. People who know how to take a prototype all the way through to production and commercialization beyond that. We will raise $3 million to build out our SaaS AI and take our MVP robot from prototype through to production, and that will allow us to meet our existing expression of interest revenue of $2 million. Thank you.